Greetings, fellow Bay East members, and welcome to our State of the Association video. Let's start with real estate markets and membership. Bay East is helping its members navigate shifting market conditions by providing new MLS resources. Our data share with the combined Los Angeles Westside MLS allows MLS subscribers to search more than 40 areas in Los Angeles and gives agents in Southern California access to data from 16,000 real estate professionals in the Paragon system. The new Home Source Professional highlights newly built homes for sale. A new MLS field named HOA Management Company is now available, and the clickable HOA name field pick list for Alameda and Contra Costa counties is now aligned with the California Homeowners Association's website. We're also excited about new member benefits, including Rate My Agent, a marketing tool that enables agents to build their online reputation through client testimonials and reviews. Market Intelligence, the new Realtor Property Resource, RPR, shareable market trends has instant access pricing information, listing statuses, inventory levels, and more. Let's get together. We've held several in-person training and networking events this year. During May, we hosted Fresh Start, A Time for Growth, that featured a great presentation from Fong Law, the Alameda County Assessor, a demonstration of AI tech by Bay East staff, and a presentation about fair housing issues by Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist Bill Dedman. During June, a bunch of us were at the Bay East Foundation tournament at Stonebrae TPC in Hayward. What fun that was. A great time was had by all while we were raising funds for the foundation. What's your voice in government saying? A lot from Bay East. So far this year, we've worked on rental housing policies in Alameda County and San Leandro, and we're currently working with Dublin and Livermore on their sign ordinances. The State of the Association is strong, but you can make it even stronger by getting involved. Where do I start? Well, let myself, a Bay East board member, or Bay East staff know that you're ready to give back. And finally, thank you all for the opportunity of allowing me to serve as your president. It has been the thrill and an honor of a lifetime.